tired. Very tired. And it's only nearly 11 in the morning, I think. 10:30. And I'm up at the top of this hill. And that'll be me till later on today because I'm too tired and I need to be a parent anyway. I can't be spending all day cycling. But yeah, I'm here. I made it. And it's a bloody hard ride anyway. And yeah, proud of myself. And this bench here, in memory of David Proctor, who died in 1986. So I'm curious to know if a council and everything donated a bench. I wonder how this gentleman died. But yeah, sit down, have a look at the views for 5 minutes and then get heading back off again.